Gold failed to breach past the critical support at 1740. At the same time, on the upside, 1760-62 zone, it failed to breach past on the upside, traded within range with slightly bearish bias. At the same time, silver too, falling from the highs at 2160, achieved close to 2090-2080 zone. Now, what to expect today? Which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start. Gold trading at 1745 levels currently, and if you look at the hourly charts, on the hourly charts, see it has certainly created the base here at 1740, and very clear. I have again and again said if it drops below 1740, sustains below 1740, certainly we may see a little drop. At the same time, look at the resistance there at 1750. It failed to drop below 1750 earlier and try to retrace. Now 1750 is going to be the resistance there, and beyond 1750 this zone is very critical for gold, between 1750 and 55. Sustaining above these levels, certainly you can expect another round of good rally, and below 1740, yes, there could be another round of good drop. So in between these $10, let's be a little bit cautious. See, the direction movement was bearish so far. It is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. The stochastic has reached the highs there. This is on the hourly charts, by the way, and the MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI is trading at the highs. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you'll find it has formed a single bullish candle there, and at the same time now trying to retrace a little on the downside. Yes, if you see it trading beyond this zone at 1748 itself, you can buy, but then expect for 52, 55 as the maximum resistance. This is going to be the good resistance zone. Beyond that, it will try to recover the losses completely and try to trade with a bullish momentum. Till 1740, do not short anything, and above 1748, yes, you can buy. The directional movement so far is bearish, trying to converge here. And if you look at the stochastic, this was trading oversold, now looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. The RSI is trading flat near to the bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, after creating the base, 3 candles with the same base, it is trying to rise. The first green candle here, you can see, and also it has left a small wick there on the upside. Hence, once it trades past 1748, certainly you can expect, see, 1750 is definitely going to be a very good resistance, and then 1755, these two numbers, and then 1760 anyways is going to be the next resistance zone. So buy at 1748, expect 1750, 52, and then 55, 60 levels. Till 1760, it has got very strong resistance on the upside. Then probably beyond that, it may try to achieve higher highs, achieve 1765 levels also. Below 1740, there is another round of good drop which can be expected, where you can see it hitting 1734, 1724 levels, and below that certainly more bearishness can be seen. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic trading oversold on the 3-hour charts, hence a possible bounce back can be expected. The MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts here, 4-hour charts, see, if you look at the gold's movement from here, just connect these, you will find that these two are creating parallel channel, and this is a bullish channel. The pivot right now lying at around 1750-55 zone, and if it breaches past, certainly you can expect high highs where you cannot deny 1765, 1770 levels. At the same time, breaching below 1740, stay short, and you are going to look forward to another round of good drop. Direction movement trying to converge crossover. The stochastic trading oversold here on the 4-hour charts. The MACD bearish here, trying to converge. RSI trying to rise a little. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, connect the highs and connect the lows. Yes, still on the downside, 1735 levels certainly should be a good support. 1730, 35, 34 levels certainly be a good support. Below that, you can expect little more drop. So below 1740, expect 1734, 35 levels to get achieved. And if it breaches below 1734, 35, expect that we may see very good drop, which might in fact take it till towards this zone. See, on the daily charts, you'll find lower highs are getting created, lower lows are getting created, and the support there on the downside will come so far there at around 1710 levels, which is going to be the next support zone. Right now on the near term charts, It appears it is giving higher highs, higher lows, possibly 1740 certainly be a good support. So below 1740 you can stay short and expect it to drop more. At the same time, above 1748 you can buy for 1750, 52, 55, 60, 65. Anything is possible on the upside. Directional movement on the daily charts was bullish. It is waiting for a bearish crossover right now. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent, this is bearish. This appears that probably trading below 1740, certainly more bearishness can be seen. The RSI there, trading comfortable. So considering this, for the day between 40 and 48, do not trade. And below 1740, see, till 1735, 34, there is going to be good support. And if it breaches, then certainly you can expect very good drop, which might take it till towards 1724 level. On the upside, 1750 certainly be a good resistance. You can buy at 1748 and see you will get at least couple of dollars for 1750s, 52, and then 55 levels to be seen. Beyond that, if it breaches 1755, we can expect 1760 and 65 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed on the analysis, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch will start in January itself. The recent batch has started yesterday. If you want to be part of the next batch, reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. My Telegram and email IDs where you can connect with me for details on my trading or training program are available in the channel description. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. Silver on the hourly charts, it created the support here at 2090 levels, and since then it has seen a reversal or a retracement, I will say. Now 2120, I will wait for it to breach. Beyond 2120, you can expect another round of good bullish momentum, which might take it for 2130, 2140. See, till 2160, it has got good resistance there. So it may try to trade in between this zone before it tries to take a decisive call. Right now, it's still not bearish. Right now, it is still not bullish at all in this zone. The directional movement, moderately bullish. The stochastic overbought. The MACD has just crossed over on the hourly chart. This is crossover is happening at the bottom, and hence a probable rise cannot be denied. The RSI trading comfortable. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, see flat bottom and a retracement here. So flat bottom at multiple candles with a flat bottom indicates there is a very good support at 2090, 2085 zone, and 2080 certainly be a good support. So rather I will say only below 2080 you should go short, and above 2120 you can again take a buy position for 2130, 40, and then 2150, 60. Every 10 cents there is a little resistance. Directional movement is bearish, it is trying to converge. Stochastic was oversold, trying to rise. The MACD is trying to converge here, crossover for a bullish move. The RSI is looking downwards on the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, first of all, multiple candles getting the support at 2090. Hence 2090 be a good resistance. Yes, if you see it trading below 2090, you can sell, but 2080 is the major support there. Below 2080, it is going to show you a very good fall. On the upside, now see this, multiple candles getting the resistance there. 2120 be a good level beyond which you can definitely remain long. So in between 2120 and 2090 for 30 cents, do not trade. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading oversold, now looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge. This is bearish so far. RSI is comfortable. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts there. Again the same base, trying to rise a little. Once it trades beyond 2120, you can expect 2130, 40, 50, 60 till 60. It has got very good resistance on the upside. Beyond 60, it is going to fly high. At the same time, trading below 2090, you can sell there. Expect 2080 very good support, then 2060 levels to be seen. Directional movement trying to cross over for a sell, for a buy. Stochastic trading oversold here. And if you look at the MACD, this is bearish trying to converge. RSI is trying to look upwards, indicating little bullishness. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, see, first thing is it is creating, there was a breach there on the downside. Now it is trying to take a support on this and trying to trade bullish. It is trying to reverse. Now also one must not forget that this is a little bit of consolidation going on in silver, where you can find lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen, and it is trying to consolidate in between the zone 2160 to 2080 levels, 2090 levels. We have to remain cautious in between this. Yes, you can take a buy position at 2120, expect it to rise for 2130, 40, 50, 60, till 60 it has got good resistance. Beyond that, definitely a good rise can be expected. Below 2080, same levels. Again, below 2090, you can sell for 2080, 2060, 2050 levels. So take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.